It's the big Supreme Court hearing on Arvind Kejriwal's Enforcement Directorate arrest. Remember that Kejriwal has been constantly approaching the court for a bail. Supreme Court has now asked the Enforcement Directorate why cannot give an interim bail to the Chief Minister of Delhi for the elections while the election season is on. He is the sitting Chief Minister and the situation appears extraordinary. Supreme Court has added, Chief Minister is not a habitual offender. Elections happen once in 5 years. Now, Enforcement Directorate here has responded to that and said that if the bail is given to the Chief Minister of Delhi, to Arvind Kejriwal, it will appear to be a selective bail. And that can set a wrong example because then many other leaders may also continue to ask on the same. India Today's legal editor Nalini Sharma joins me for the latest on that. Nalini, this is very interesting because that is what the AAP leaders have been asking. Why can't he be given a bail? It's not that the charges have been proven against him. How has the court reacted to this?
Well, Pooja, some very relevant statements coming in from the Supreme Court where the bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Dipankar Datta have categorically asked the Enforcement Directorate why Arvind Kejriwal, considering the fact that he is a sitting Chief Minister of Delhi, the fact that he is not a habitual offender, why can he not be allowed out on elections? Also keeping in mind that these elections happen only once in every 5 years. In fact, the Supreme Court bench has gone on to say that it's not like a harvest that happens every 4 to 6 months. So the court has, what they've decided is that they are going to hear arguments on interim release of Arvind Kejriwal on priority, which means this is coming even as though the Enforcement Directorate has categorically opposed this before the Supreme Court. The Enforcement Directorate being represented by Solicitor General Tushar Mehta as well as Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju has told the Supreme Court that heavens will not fall if Arvind Kejriwal is not allowed to campaign. The ED has also gone ahead and said that he is only a sitting Chief Minister. That does not give him any special privileges in compared to a common man. And will an agriculturist or a farmer be allowed out on bail just to harvest his crops or harvest his seeds during the time when the season exists? So keeping all of these arguments, the ED has opposed the hearing on interim bail, but the Supreme Court's made it clear that they will decide whether or not Arvind Kejriwal can be allowed out on interim bail during the time that the hearing is going on.
For Arvind Kejriwal, he's not only the sitting Chief Minister, he's Aam Aadmi Party's national convener. He's the face for the Aam Aadmi Party, specifically this election and the Delhi elections upcoming as well. Nalini, I request you to stay on. Munish Pandey is joining me. Munish, because you closely track the investigative agencies, how has the ED been ensuring that Arvind Kejriwal does not deserve a bail while the AAP leaders, one after another, are approaching courts?
Well, the Enforcement Directorate strategy is very clear: to keep Arvind Kejriwal in jail for as long as they can. Now, at this point of time, the hearing is still going on in the Supreme Court. There was an observation made by the Supreme Court that they want to hear on the interim bail also, which the ED objected. They said that it will send a very wrong message. Just because he is a Chief Minister, he is politically connected, this will send a very wrong message. That is what the ED's case is. If we go about the today's hearing, as far as the entire case is concerned, ED again claimed that he is someone who is involved in 100 crore rupees of bribery case. He is someone who was in a position of power at that point of time. They also argued that he is someone who was not only aware of the alleged crime, but also he is someone who was the convener of the party, which means that when the allegedly when the bribe money was used for Goa elections, he was someone who stayed in the hotel, and the rent of one night, that was 1 lakh rupees, that was paid by someone who is also given a statement to the Enforcement Directorate that he is one who paid for Arvind Kejriwal's stay. So these are the arguments which the Enforcement Directorate has made at this point of time. They are trying that Arvind Kejriwal should not get out on bail, but it is up to the Supreme Court, based on the material produced by the ED or by the defense. They will decide whether he should be given interim bail or not. But we have been given to understand is that ED is trying their best to keep Arvind Kejriwal in jail at this point of time. Pooja.
All right, thank you very much for now. Arvind Kejriwal, who remember was arrested on 21st of March. So time is also running out. The Lok Sabha elections are on, then Delhi elections. There's a lot of absence that is being noticed, of course, by the Aam Aadmi Party. How will the court react to it, and how will the ED ensure that the bail does not come for Arvind Kejriwal? Our team on the ground will continue to track it.